Okay, before moving to wrap a class, let's see something important here in case of your capability of class. So in your day-to-day programming, there are a lot of scenarios to find out on a runtime to find out what is the instance of this class. Okay, suppose you are getting some employee. Suppose you are creating the object of employee emp is equal to new employee. Okay, let's put emp2. Now if you want to find out this emp is the instance of employee or some other class, because sometimes you don't know what is the instance of the object, what is the class of the object. If a parameter, if suppose what happens, uh, I am creating one class here, say that print, sorry, I am creating a method public static print employee. Okay, but the object which I am taking, that is I am taking the superclass of employee, that is object obj. Okay, let's give return type as white. So if I call this method here print emp and pass one emp to object. Okay, because the signature of this method says that I can take any argument which is of type object, and emp employee is also a object because it is extending from the object. But I want to print the message if it is employee. If object is of type employee, then only print the message, otherwise you can say that I don't support it. So if true, then only I want to print employee detail, then I will say, otherwise I will say sysout not supported. Okay, let's say now not supported. So what does it mean? What I'm trying to say here, if you are having some method where the parameter is very much generic, you are taking the parameter here which is object, and it means that you can pass anything here, but for you are not entertaining all type of objects, you are entertaining only say employee. So a person who is sending other type of employee, you are saying that it is not supported. Then how to check that it is sending the employee? So that is the place where you will be using the methods of the class. So what we need to do, if object dot get class that is assignable is the method which will tell you the compatibility of your provided class and what you want to use. So if I say employee dot class, okay, then print its name, then you have to print the object dot get name, but object dot get name is not available because this method is only applicable to employee. So what we do, we will do the casting. So what I will say, employee emp is equal to employee obj. Here I am using the concept of inheritance. I am creating the parent class. I'm creating the object of, I'm assigning the object of parent class to child class, okay, using the typecasting. So I will say emp dot get name. That's what I want to print. So here, before doing that, I will set this employee to dot name, set name, say Maxwell. Okay. Now if I run it, I should be getting the name of the employee, which is printing from here. Okay, so these are the places where you can easily use the capability of your class. Okay, now moving to next, that is wrapper. So